Hey you guys, what's up? It's me, Kayla, and in this video we are going to be doing some 5 glitch hacks. So there are multiple ways you can glitch, and I'm going to show you guys those ways. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But wait, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We are currently in a giveaway right now. All you have to do, I will be telling you guys how to do it further into the video. So let's just go. It's a really place to start the video, like especially in the bathroom. But let's just go. By the way, you guys, my unicorn isn't a fire ride. So if you're wondering, in my last video, I got a penguin. You're probably like, where is it, you guys? I gave it away to one of you guys because I was like, I have so many pets. It won't affect me if I just give away a fire ride penguin. So that's why I did give it away to you guys. I do have some other pets, and if I do get a really cool pet in this video, which I'm probably won't because that's not what this video is about, but if I do get like a super good pet, I will be giving it away to you guys. I won't be giving away this unicorn, but I will be giving away a flower neon unicorn in the giveaway. So all you have to do is just subscribe and like the video, and there'll be more information about the giveaway at the end of this video and how to join. So we're on our way to the adoption center. So there's a big train in the middle of the way. I'm going to go to my brother because he's also in this game. You guys go ahead and follow him. Do not friend him and like blow up his friend request. But I'm going to go get him, invite him to my family. I need to create a family. Let's see. Invite family. I'm going to invite him to my family. And then he's gonna go into the adoption center, and then he's going to go in, and sorry guys, my screen is like lagging. He's gonna go in, and I'm gonna teleport to him right whenever he goes in. Okay, he's where are you?
Okay, I'm gonna teleport to you guys can go in. Okay, so
take away the stroller. I didn't ask for that.
3, 2.
Wait. Did I say 1? Okay, I'm gonna get someone else to do this, you guys, because this person sucks.
Okay, 3.
No, I need to be the one counting. Okay, bye.
Okay, fine.
3, 2, 1. You guys, that didn't work, so we're gonna have to do this again.
Oh.
And of course, my brother teleported me to make it worse. So let's try this again. I don't know where he is right now.
Okay,
but I'm standing in front of the adoption center waiting for him. I don't see him.
Okay, 3. Oh yeah, you got it.
3, 2, 1. We landed in the same spot, you guys. That's so annoying. Maybe we Oh wait, last time I was like glitched in the place where I couldn't really see, but my friend told me that you get to like see out the window and it's super cool. Oh yeah, this is how it works. Guys, this is amazing. You should try this. It's super cool. Like if you're ever like playing hide and seek with your friend Adopt Me, you should like glitch into this. Like you need somebody to do this with you. You can like glitch into here and then like play hide and seek. And they said whoever wins hide and seek gets a free pet. You are obviously going to get the free pet because you were glitched into some place and they don't know where. So let's get on to the next one. This place is very common. A lot of people like glitching into here. I mean, there was also some people also said that you glitch into the ice cream place and then you fly out, and then after you're done flying out, like after you fly out, you can go to the Adopt Me like glitch land. That's what I like calling it, and then you can get a free pet. But that was not true, you guys. I tried it. It did not work. So I almost went in. So here's another cool way. You're going to bring out a stroller. You guys, like I said, I don't have a lot of good pets because I have another account that they're all in. So we're going to try to glitch in there, which is not really... Okay, there we go. It worked. Oh, wait, you guys, I totally forgot. You're going to need like a fly or ride pet. My unicorn isn't going to work because it's not fly or ride. So we're going to use my dragon. Totally forgot to say that. You're going to need a fly ride pet to do this. So then I'm going to get my dragon, I'm going to click fly, and look, you guys, I'm in the ice cream place. Wait. In the middle of my video?
I opened it.
Not even interacting my video. That's not nice. Okay, so you're gonna have to glitch through here, and then you're gonna fly out, and here we go. It's super cool. And here's another place you can glitch into. I'm pretty sure if you play hide and seek, you won't be able to be found here. Or if you have a super epic pet and people are trying to chase you to get it, you can just hide here. Or like if you're someone super popular and people are trying to chase you, you can just come and hide into here. So that's another cool place. I love this place so much. I mean, like, it's amazing. You can just come here. Right, set emotions. Use actions. You can just come here and relax. You can even ask your pet to sit. It's amazing. You and your pet just relaxing. It's so cool. Yeah. So this is where I like coming to like a lot of the times. It's fun. Oh look, one of my friends just teleported me. Hey, well, I thought I was in this. You invited him into our family. I'm leaving the family. Okay. Well, we're gonna put our dragon in here.
Hey, look, my dragon.
Oh wow, that was easy. I didn't even have to like fly it or anything. It already glitched me in here. That's cool. Okay, guys, on to the next one. This next one is super cool and awesome, super funny. You can actually get to glitch into this like little honeycomb right here, and you can see a noob. Like as you guys can see, all you see is Archer and the coffees. But you don't see the noob behind him. So we're gonna show you guys how to see the noob. So just like the other one, you're gonna bring out a stroller. And you're going to push your dragon or your fly pet or ride pet. I'm gonna ride this one. And then you guys, you get to see the noob in here. Kaden!
Oh, I didn't know it was face cam.
Okay.
Kayla,
How did you get over there?
So you guys, now you can just sit here and enjoy some tea with the noob. It's amazing.
The noob?
He's actually a noob. Get out of my video. You can enjoy some tea with the noob. It's amazing. Yeah, you and the noob just drinking tea. It's amazing, you guys. Remember how I showed you guys that all we saw was just Archer, tea, and coffee? But now we see Archer, tea, coffee, and a noob. So that's pretty cool. So, and you can just, wait, no, I thought you could like easily walk out, but never mind.
No, I needed Kaden.
Stop. Whose tablet is it?
I really needed just I don't want to miss stuff.
Miss what?
Like, you know how you miss
Okay, guys, so we're out of the honeycomb and we're gonna move on to the next one. I believe this next one we're gonna do is our fourth hack, and then the last one is going to be super epic. But a lot of you guys do know about it, but if you don't, I'm going to be showing you that one. So that's gonna be our last one. But now let's move on to our fourth one. Okay, you guys, so this next one is going to be, this one, like, not a lot of people talk about it, but, I mean, you can do it. Not a lot of people talking about it, remember, but you can do it. So we're gonna, like, glitch. Oh, that did not work. Uh-oh. I've done this before, and, if you don't get the glitch perfectly correct, you're not gonna end up in the right place. Okay, that's perfect. We're gonna go ahead and come into here. This is the vault. You're inside the vault, and I'm gonna bring out my key. Wait, do I still have that key? Oh, here it is. Yeah, we found it. Okay, we're gonna I wonder what's behind this. That's weird. Okay, the key isn't really working. It's supposed to open the vault. But you guys, here's another one where you're like inside the vault pretty much. So, yeah. I haven't opened the vault in a really long time, so I can't remember if like you actually get to experience this place whenever you open the vault. But yeah, we're gonna glitch back out if it's gonna work. I don't know, it's not letting me. It's gonna find this out. Oh gosh, didn't work. Let's bring out the stroller again. The wings actually match it, so it looks like it's camouflaging. Okay, so we're gonna glitch it out. Come on, please work. Yay, we got out. Okay. Also, you guys, I've also... Yes? Okay guys, so here's the last hack of this video. So what you're going to do is, this one's pretty common, but not a lot of people know how to do it the correct way. So I'm going to be teaching you guys the correct way. Go to a corner in your house and grab the stroller again. Most of these hacks are used with strollers, by the way. So you're gonna put your stroller, and then you're gonna like push it out. Oh gosh, you need to go into the corner. Make sure you're into the corner. Then you're gonna fly it. So because you guys, I said go into the corner. Like if you don't go into the corner, it's not gonna end out well. So yeah, go into the corner, because if I was like, if I was about to go over here, and if I go over here, I'll fall. So I don't want that to happen. So you really want to go into the corner. And I've been out here before, and I actually made these like little like this stuff, because sometimes me and my friends like hanging out like around here. So some of my friends don't know how to do this correctly. That's why I'm posting this video. My friends don't know how to do this correctly. Do you guys see that? It's moving. That means people are down there. So, you guys, I'm gonna go visit this place. People are down there because that's moving. People are down there, and I've been there before, you guys. I've been there before. I've actually been here before, and wait, no, you guys, it's just gonna be a waste of my time. It's gonna be a waste of my time. No, I'm not gonna do it because I've done it before, and it took like 10 minutes just to get down there, and it's just gonna take forever. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite part of this video. Also, guys, like I said, more information about the giveaway at the end of this video. It's the end of this video right now, so I'm going to give you guys the end of the information. So, I'm going to be giving away a fly right now on Unicorn, and all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and then go into the description. Both my social medias are there. You need to follow both of them, and then you can join. I'm talking super fast right now because I need to end this video. So, yes, you guys, I know how to end this perfectly. I feed it a sandwich, and then I fall out of the sky. Goodbye. Uh-oh. Okay, I need to bring out another pet before I die. Okay, I'm already dead. Okay, that was weird. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. So, see you in the next video.